Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily edit and add a logo in CapCut. So if you guys want to add your logo into your videos, first you need to prepare your logo. It is best if you prepare a logo without a background or a PNG image. So just go to overlay and add your logo as overlay. Okay, so I'm going to add this logo's right here. Now you can just edit the logo. You can add or you can resize it like this and put it anywhere you like. So I'm going to put it at the top left corner of my clips like this, and you can set it for the whole clips by dragging the duration like that, so that the logo will always be there in your video. You can also adjust the opacity by clicking on the logo and swipe through the menu until you find opacity, then lower it as you like. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.